In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block WhatsApp messages from someone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then go to charts and then just search for a conversation you would like to block. To do that, just to get into that conversation at the very top, scroll down and tap at block. Blocked contacts will no longer be able to call or send you new messages to block that particular user. Tap at block. After a couple of seconds it says unblock, which means that this particular phone number is now blocked. If you just want to stop getting notifications from some user for a short period of time, we can just mute that conversation with that user or with any group. To do that, just swipe to the left, tap it more, and then select mute. Then you can choose for what time you would like to mute that conversation, for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Other participants will not see that you muted this chat. However, he will still be notified if you are mentioned to mute notifications from the conversation on top at 8 hours. That's how you can easily block and mute WhatsApp messages. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.